Hello everyone, let's solve for x given this nice math problem, which is x minus 2 raised to power 4. This is equal to 3 raised to power 4. Okay, so quickly let's take 3 raised to power 4 on the left hand side so that we'll have x minus 2 raised to power 4 subtract 3 raised to power 4. This is equal to 0. Okay, so we can write x minus 2 raised to power 4 as x subtract 2 squared raised to power 2 subtract 3 squared raised to power 2. This is equal to 0. So actually x minus 2 squared raised to power 2 minus 3 squared raised to power 2. This is in the form of difference of two squares expressed as a squared minus b squared, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, now from what we have here, we express this as x minus 2 squared, okay, subtract, this is 3 squared, okay, and then we'll have x minus 2 squared, okay, plus 3 squared, close the bracket, this is equal to 0, okay. Now from what we have here, let's call this one case 1 and this one case 2, okay. Now from what we have in case 1, which is x minus 2 squared subtract 3 squared, this is 9, this is equal to 0, okay. And what we have here, we have x minus 2 squared, okay, plus 3 squared, this is 9, this is equal to 0. Let's solve case 1 quickly. So x minus 2 raised to power 2, this is the same, is in the form of a minus b squared, which you can express as a squared, okay, minus 2ab plus b squared, okay. So that means that we have x squared subtract, okay, this is 2x times 2, which is 4x, plus this is negative 2 squared, which is 4, minus 9, this is equal to 0, okay. Now from what we have here, we have that x squared minus 4x, this is 4 minus 5 minus 9, this is equal to minus 5, which is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. And given that from our first from this quadratic equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 4, and c is equal to negative 5. So let's solve for the value of x. Applying the quadratic formula, in this case we have x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, okay. So this is the same thing as negative 4, okay, negative 4 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is negative 4 squared, which is 16, subtract 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 5, divide everything by 2, 2 times 1, okay. So negative times negative 4, this is 4, okay. And then plus or minus, we have plus or minus the square root of, this is 16, subtract, this is negative 4 times negative 5, this is plus 20, divide everything by 2. So this is the same thing as 4 plus or minus the square root of, now 16 plus 20, this is the same thing as 36, divide by 2, okay. So in this case, we have that this is 4 divided by 2 plus or minus square root of 36, this is 6 divided by 2. So this is the same thing as, if you simplify here, this is 2 plus or minus 3, okay. So that means we have x1 is equal to 2 plus 3, which is 5, and x2 is equal to 2 minus 3, which is negative 1, okay. So let's solve case 2 quickly. Let's solve case 2. Now for case 2, we have x minus 2 squared subtract plus 9. This is equal to 0. Sorry, this is plus 9. Now from what we have here, x minus 2 squared, this is the same thing as x squared, subtract, this is 4x, then plus, this is negative 2 squared, which is 4, plus 9, this is equal to 0. Now this is x squared, subtract 4x, 4 plus 9, this is equal to 13. So this is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation with a equal to 1, b equal to negative 4, and c equal to 13. Okay? We have this quadratic equation which is x squared minus 4x plus 13 is equal to 0, with a equal to 1, b negative 4, c 13. So let's apply the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, divide everything by 2a. Okay, so substituting this, we'll have negative times negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared. B squared is negative 4 squared, which is 16. Subtract 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 13. Divide everything by 2. Okay, this is 2 times 1, which is 2. Now we'll have 4 plus or minus the square root of, now 4 times 13, this is 52, so it's 16 minus 52, which is negative 36, divided by 2. So that here we'll have 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 36. Now negative 36 can be expressed as 36 times negative 1, divide everything by 2. So that here we'll have 4 divided by 2, this is 2, plus or minus, now square root of 36 is 6, 6 divided by 2, this is 3, then square root of negative 1 is I, so this is 3i. Okay, now that means that we have x3 is equal to 2 plus 3i, and x4 is equal to 2 minus 3i. Now these are actually two complex roots. These are actually two complex roots. These are two complex roots. Okay, so that means that we have 4 solutions. Okay, we have 4 solutions. We have 4 solutions. We have 4 solutions. That is, x1 is equal to 5, x2 is equal to negative 1, x3 is equal to 2 plus 3i, and x4 is equal to 2 minus 3i. x3 and x4, we have 2 complex roots, and x1 and x2, these are real roots. Thank you for watching. Kindly follow the steps and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.